Unlock the full potential of your Nintendo Switch with the Mega Package 19.0.1 version 2. It's a comprehensive suite of over 50 apps, custom firmware and exclusive mods designed to elevate your Switch. To get started, become a patron by visiting our Patreon page. Once you've subscribed, connect your Patreon account to Discord to gain exclusive access to our community and download links. In your Patreon settings, go to Connected Apps and select Discord. Authorize the connection to seamlessly integrate your accounts. After linking your accounts, join our Discord server where you'll find the Mega Package files ready to download. Download all 4 parts of the Mega Package 19.0.1 version 2. Ensure you have WinRAR installed to extract these files properly. Select all downloaded files, right-click and choose Extract to Mega Package 19.0.1 version 2. This will consolidate the contents into a single folder. Connect your MicroSD card with your computer. I'm doing this right now here over Hecate Tools SD card. Copy the extracted Mega Package contents to the root of your MicroSD card. If prompted, confirm file replacements. After transferring the files, it's crucial to fix the archive bit to ensure system stability. Boot your Switch into Hecate, navigate to Tools, then select Fix Archive Bit. This step prevents potential boot issues. With the archive bit fixed, proceed to launch the custom firmware. In Hecate, go to Launch and choose Custom Firmware Sysnant for system without Emunant, or Custom Firmware Emunant if you have it configured. Your Nintendo Switch is now enhanced with the Mega Package 19.0.1, offering a vast array of applications and customization options at your fingertips. This release introduces significant improvements, notably we've integrated Breeze, a powerful tool designed to resolve common issues associated with Edison. So whenever you had problems with cheats, then Breeze will be actually the fix for it. Breeze enhances your gaming experience by providing a user-friendly interface for managing cheat codes, ensuring compatibility and ease of use. For a detailed breakdown of all changes and new features, visit our Patreon post. Join our community today and unlock the full potential of your Nintendo Switch. Don't you ever forget to smile. My name is Yu. I hope I'll see ya in the next video. Peace.